Hey everyone, JB here. Excited you're with me today as we're rocking and rolling, having some fun in the new studio. Super pumped. We're going to be bringing you a lot of reviews and going to have a lot of fun. And today, I want to talk about a lamp that I bought on Amazon. I want to unbox it and take a look at it and see if it's going to fit the role that I need. What we're talking about today is a double arms shadowless lamp. I'm going to unbox this lamp and we are going to take a look at it and see if it fulfills the role in my audio studio of giving me light that I need. I'm not big into the fluorescent light that's in there now. In fact, I'm going to take that down and foam the ceiling at some point for a later video. That studio is where I do my podcasting. But what I needed was something for the desk. And if you're looking for a desk, a lamp, this just might be the one you want with double arms and can kind of take a corner on, which is really unusual. As always, the link is in the description, but thought I would get back on track with just a quick video here of the double arm shadowless lamp. So let's go ahead and open it up here and see what we've got. It came right in the box, just specifically straight up like this. Okay, so let's see. So we've got a double arms instruction booklet, which gives us the installation tips, okay, on how we put this thing in. And it does a lot of different things and functionality wise in the way that it moves. So kind of packaged nice. It's got a little USB connector holder here, which is pretty cool. And it's got I don't know what that is, a tool and two little things that I could possibly lose. These things are super tiny, so I'm gonna make sure those are put to the side. We got the lamp itself. Okay, and I think that's it. That's all that's in here. So let's go ahead and take it apart here real quick and take a look at it and see. It looks like it sets up pretty easily. Easy. This goes in here, it looks like. So let me get the instructions out. So 1, 2, and this goes right on top. But that's kind of odd because it's, you got to feed this up in there. I don't want that. There we go. So that goes there. All right, so there it is. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, it sets up pretty easy. And then I guess the power cord. It does not come with a USB with a plug. That's one thing I will tell you. There is no plug here. But it may work because what I'm looking to do is put it in the corner. I'll show you here how it looks like in the corner. Let's go ahead and get it set up. And then we'll talk a little bit more about it and see if I can get rid of these fluorescent lights in this new kind of double lamp, kind of double arm lamp. That's what this is called. All right, so let's go check it out. So as you can see, the fluorescent lights is not something I really like. And so moving this light into the corner was something that I wanted to do. The thing that I wanted was two lights that were kind of separated by the corner, as you can see. And what happened was it worked out real well. The only issue I have, my big caveat for you, is the base is pretty big. It takes up a lot of space, a lot more space than I would like. I'd like it to be a little bit littler. In fact, I could probably drill a hole in the desk and put it in there and mount it, doing some of the things that I do, as far as manipulating the bottom of it there and then have it come through the desk. But it's okay. For now, it works. This is my recording studio, so I don't need to do a lot of, I have a lot of space, it's more for the sound quality than it is for the space on the desk. I'm not doing a lot of writing. I'm not using it as a desk. That I do upstairs in my upstairs retreat center office, which I got videos coming on that. But as far as the lamp goes, I like it. It's got multiple colors. I typically stick with daylight. That's just what I use, like the lighty color, higher number. I think it's 6600. That's what I really like. I'm not into the yellow. In fact, I've changed all my lights out in the house in the retreat center here to this daylight color. And so for me, the functionality is almost perfect. If the base was a little bit smaller, it would work out a little bit better. But you can, the nice thing is you can turn the left light on. You can turn the right light on. You can change the colors of the right or left light. So there's a lot of functionality. You can bring it together and use it all as one. So it is a pretty cool lamp. It's a double lamp, something something that you can use, something that's a lot of fun. So as always, hey, if you're enjoying this content, we're gonna be doing a lot of reviews. I'm getting ready, the studio's ready, we're finally ready to start rocking and rolling. I got products coming in from a lot of different companies. So if you enjoy this type of content, put a thumbs up. We're also gonna be doing some energy content here, which is always fun. And we're gonna keep the energy up. So I appreciate you. I thank you for being a part of this community, and we're gonna keep rocking and rolling. So go out there and have a fantastic, fantastic day. You watched to the end. Thank you so much for that. You're awesome. You can click subscribe for more awesome videos that we do all kinds of different things. And then down here, you can watch the next video that comes up from our community and channel. By the way, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What do you think about today's video? All right, thanks so much. Hit that subscribe or watch that next video.